KTM 1290 Super Adventure S Best Motorcycle Review, Liquid-Cooled, V-Twin, Chain Drive, 6 Gear. The KTM 1290 Super Adventure S is the direct replacement for the 1190 Adventure, and comes with everything the year boasts, but skewed firmly towards tarmac riding, rather than being genuinely dual-purpose. The biggest and most obvious change, beside the lack of orange frame and crash bars, is the use of 19 inches front and 17 inches rear cast wheels in place of the larger laced items on the R. They are then complemented by shorter travel suspension to lower the center of gravity, and seat height, from 890mm on the R to an adjustable 860/875 on the S. That suspension is WP semi-active front and rear, allowing riders to select the best option for their load and conditions, from comfort, street, sport and off-road via the control menu, even on the go. The S gets all the same electronic assistance for the rider, too, including motorcycle stability control, MSC, multi-mode and lean angle sensitive combined ABS. Just like the R, you can monitor all those systems via the all-new 6.5 inches full-color TFT dash. The S model comes on Pirelli Scorpion Trail 2 tires as standard fitment in 120/70 or 19 and 170/60 or 17 tire sizes. Once you've read this review and our owners' reviews, you may want to join an owners community like this one on Facebook. Ride quality and brakes. The semi-active WP suspension has 4 settings: comfort, street, sport and off-road, which reacts according to your chosen riding mode, and can be swapped on the fly. The new S is sportier than the old Super Adventure. The steering is light for such a big bike, which encourages you to really throw it around with relative ease. When the semi-active suspension is working overtime, the 1290 remains composed, stable and boosts confidence. Engine. The 1,301 cubic centimeters V-Twin is now Euro 4 compatible, and KTM have cleaned up the motor with a new exhaust, new cylinder head, including valves and cams, plus changes to the fueling. Even though the engine is cleaner and quieter than before, KTM say the power and torque figures remain the same as the old model: 160 brake horsepower and 103.25 ft-lb of torque. It makes 79.6 ft-lb of torque at just 2,500 rpm. Reliability and build quality. KTM's reliability and quality is improving, and the 160 brake horsepower is near proven in other models such as the 1290 GT and Super Duke. We've got 7 KTM 1290 Super Adventure S owners reviews on the site, with an overall score of 4.4 stars out of 5. Reliability has been a problem for some. Value versus rivals. The base price of £14,299 means it's cheaper than the competitor, and for that you get a decent level of specification. However, the bike we tested would cost £16,777, which isn't too bad and puts it much closer to the competition. Equipment. The KTM 1290 comes with an impressive spec sheet. For rider modes, cornering ABS and lean-sensitive traction control, all controlled by the fancy new color dash. Other neat touches include LED cornering headlight, keyless ignition, cruise control, illuminated switchgear, self-locking manual screen, and even a waterproof phone storage compartment complete with USB input. Heated grips are an optional extra.